Hey there, you do ever think of sending a video file more than 16 meg on WhatsApp? And WhatsApp told you, hey, you better send a lesser file video. You can send more than 16 meg. Worry no more, as this WhatsApp app will solve that problem. But before that, you need to press that subscribe button right now. Meet you at the other end. So as I said earlier, if you want to send a large file video on WhatsApp, which is more than 16 megabytes, so you can do that with this trick. Just go to your WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp, and open it. So probably you want to send to someone. Just click on someone. Let me use this person as example. Then what you do is you come to this file icon, just click on it. Then after that one, you have your documents here. Click on your document, and in your document you have to find a file you want to send. So find a file here, browse other documents, and these are so you can go to your gallery or your phone. This is my home phone, so I can move up and down, and you choose the directory of what you want to send. Let me just go to my own. I want to send from Xender, so this is Xender. Then for my app, so this is, you see, this is KineMaster, and the app is 19.05 megabytes. You see, it's very high, more than 16 MB. So just click on it like this. So, and it will say send KineMaster to Abu Muhammad. Then you send to the person, yes, I want to send, and just wait for it to load, and you see the magic. So it will load, and you see it's sending to the person. It's because of the file is very high, that's why it's still loading. So you see the 94 meg is already being sent to the person. So just have to wait for some minutes. So with this we can transfer, you can send, so with this we can send large video files to your contacts on WhatsApp. If you like this video, don't forget to comment in the comment section and just express yourself, and let me know what is going on over there. And if you have any other suggestion or any other thing, so you can say it over there also. Thanks for watching.